Well, kids at this age in their development need core strengthening. We don't do a lot of weightlifting, if any, so it's all about core strengthening and building speed on the ice. So the parents wanted their kids to go further this year in the season, so the whole goal is to get to states. And they've won 8 games in a row. They all feel stronger. They're all winning their battles in the corner. They're all being good on the ice. And if they win tomorrow, they can go to states. So that is the goal.
When I wander far away, a dream stays with me night and day. It's the road that leads to my home state. I am a Michigan man. Changing seasons paint the scene like rainbow trout in a hidden stream. The white-tailed deer in the tall pine trees. I am a Michigan man. I am a Michigan man. Ask where I'm from and I'll show you my hands. Lord above, I love this land. I am a Michigan man. From the Keweenaw down to St. Joe, Kalamazoo, east to Monroe, to St. Marie and back again. I am a Michigan man. I am a Michigan man. Ask where I'm from and I'll show you my hands. Lord above, I love this land. I am a Michigan man. Ah, Michigame, win when it's stung. I say I'm say when in wegam when manani abna minga nishnavik anishnavik. If I should die across the sea on a peninsula, you can bury me. On my headstone it should read, here lies a Michigan man. I am a Michigan man. Ask where I'm from and I'll show you my hands. Lord above, I love this land. I am a Michigan man. I am a Michigan man. Ask where I'm from and I'll show you my hands. I am my God. I am a Michigan man. I am a Michigan man. Where sleeping bears lie on the sand. Manitou has placed his hands. I am a Michigan man.